Currently, it stands right now. Not bad for my first try in regards to bowling, but this is what I'm currently doing right now. Lane 7 bowling. Can't help it. Doing my birthday thing with my suit, and gotta have a couple of beers. So let's see if I can't continue this along further. God, I haven't bowled in a while. Come on. Strike. Yeah, not bad. That's how you despair.
That you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So I'm done with bowling. It was fun. Had a good, decent game. Had 2 games of 143. 146 and 153. So it was not bad. But apparently, because it's late and it's in the middle of the week, I have the entire theater to myself. Happy birthday to me. All right. Theater. And so I got natural seating with power. So I can't complain. I'm gonna see Shazam all by myself. This is almost like VIP service. It's I'm gonna enjoy Shazam. So I want to thank you guys very much for seeing what I was doing for my birthday. I know it's not necessarily a party, but I'm still gonna enjoy myself. Cheers.